Hi, I'm Rick. Welcome to Joloko here in Kuala Lumpur. So dry January is actually going really well, obviously because December has been so intense. The help of Lyre actually does make a difference for people like me who do love a Negroni. I think that the non-alcoholic scene has just gotten much better, especially because we can finally have adult drinks but without the alcohol. Especially things like spritzes and Negronis is something that I personally love. Here at Joloko, we make a Negroni type of cocktail with lapsang tea to make it smoky, and that really gets back that mezcal flavor that we would otherwise infuse. So it's really cool. I'm very happy with it. Today I'm making a non-alcoholic cocktail we called Gotta Give It Up, with Lyre's Agave Reserva and Lyre's Orange Sec. Besides that, we put Tonka bean, one of my favorite ingredients, some agave nectar, fresh pineapple juice and fresh lime juice. I really like to see in the non-alcoholic spirits and cocktails kind of section that we find more inclusiveness and it becomes more the norm in bars to have it as an offering. Also among guests itself, for it to just be a normal thing to order a Negroni. And personally, of course, I really love to see less hangovers.